CFMoto has been an up-and-coming brand across the world, and especially here in the USA in the most recent years. So while customers are attracted to the feature set that is getting pretty good compared to the rest in the market and the price point, the PowerVision 3 can jump right in with that low price value proposition to give you even more bang for your buck. Yes, we can add horsepower and we can add torque to make this bike more aggressive, but we can also tame down the drive-by-wire profiles. But all in all, just trying to make your ride the ultimate ride. All right, so after unboxing your PowerVision 3, you'll find the PowerVision 3 device in the box along with the diagnostic cable. These CFMoto machines are equipped with a standard OBD connector that you find in the automotive world. So for the ibex, you'll remove your rear seat using your key, remove the 2 screws at the back of your seat, and then pull the seat off. If your seat is heated, also make sure to undo the heated seat connector. Diagnostic port is over here on this side of the bike. Pop off the small cover and then route your cable into the port. Once it's connected, plug in your PowerVision 3. Compared to some other models, this is a hot diagnostic port plug. So even with it just plugged in and plugged into your PowerVision 3 and the key off, we are still consuming power. So you'd want to make sure that if you're going to flash this or if you're going to leave it mounted on your handlebars, that you do provision for this always being a hot cable. So if we turn our key on, it will identify the vehicle and start showing us our real-time gauges that we can set up. So everything from engine coolant temp to the drive mode that we're in, to our target lambda and short-term fuel trims, our throttle position relative to our twist grip position can be channels that we select as well. But when you would like to flash a file here, pick whichever file you would like. And start the flash. Flash times on these CFMotos are swift, around 30 seconds, and then it will prompt you to key cycle the vehicle. So if you really want to get into the details and figure out how to tune your CFMoto, you'll need PowerCore software. That's found on our website at dynojet.com. Jump to the hamburger menu, access support, and downloads. The first thing that pops up right on the left is click here for the Dynojet PowerCore software download. That's right where you can find it every time. Go ahead and open it, and open C3 tuning software. Right now, we've opened a stock file for this ibex, and all of these folders contain various tables that are available to you to tune. So for starters, might be, let's look in our fuel table. We may want to alter our target AFR. We can alter that value. In the environment land, we may want to alter when the fans turn on and off. We may want to alter how the drive-by-wire feels, how the throttle and the twist grip interact with each other. So each of those are on various drive modes, much like on this we have our rain and sport and off-road and all-terrain. Each of those has its own drive-by-wire characteristic table. So you can make this tamer, more aggressive, depending on which mode you're in. Whether you're in mode 2 might correlate to sport mode on an ibex, or if you're on an NK, that might be road. So just take a brief check of when you cycle through those modes. Use the monitor that comes on the PowerVision 3 to figure out, well, I just cycled to rain. Drive mode went from 0 to 1. I know I want to edit my rain table, so I would alter torque request in mode 1. Maybe it's still just too aggressive. When you're in the rain and you hit 5,000 RPM, it still wants to kind of squirt out from under you. You could take and above whatever throttle, maybe it was around 20% throttle, and it was just still a little bit too aggressive, you can highlight this area and then click on the minus sign, and that will take it down by your specified value that you enter in the cell. So it might be a -1 or could be a +1. You can also use your page up and down keys on your keyboard to move these up and down as well. Next might be, well, let's check out our rev and speed limits. Rev limit on this is 9,500. We might want to bump it up a little bit to say 10,000 RPM. And other various changes along the way. Whether you're looking for the utmost in performance, the utmost in economy and feel, and taming the bike down, you can make it yours. Whether you're on the street, on the dirt, or going on a long adventure ride, whether you got 4 wheels on a Z-Force 900, or 2 wheels like our friend the Ibex here. Or maybe you don't want to get into any of this. You don't want to custom tune your bike. You want to use kind of an off-the-shelf thing, plug and play. Dynojet does offer pre-configured tunes that come shipped on every PV3 for these vehicles. Or you could consult our dealer network. Dynojet has hundreds of dealers across the globe where they might be a custom tuning Ibex or CFMoto specialist. Consult with them. You can drop your bike off and they can give you a custom tune or email you one if they're willing to do e-tuning. All right, guys, thank you for joining us for another exciting Dynojet product launch. Check out our website at dynojet.com. Check out any accessories or other products you might be interested in. For further information, check out Dynojet University to get more educated on our entire line of products. And until next time, stay tuned.
Back off the phone, you said you'd be